Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to the Towns at Union Village by Century Communities. Now in this video, we are gonna be previewing the plan 1478, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is January 26, 2025, and today we're here at Union Square at Town Village by Century Communities. Now we are located in Henderson, so we're about 25 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. We're close to Cadence, but we're just off of the 515 freeway. So great area. Right when you get on 515, just exit on Galleria. You'll be here at this townhouse community. We are right across the street from Henderson Hospital, right next to Cowabunga Bay. 2 blocks down, you have Costco, you have the Galleria mall not too far away too, where there's plenty of restaurants, plenty of shopping centers there. In this community, they're gonna have 3 different floor plans, and I will have them on the screen for you. Very similar square footage. You're gonna have the plan 1405, 1478, and 1479. Here at this community, what they're doing is they are only building spec homes here. So as soon as you get into contract, most likely they'll already have one done already. So as soon as you get into contract, you could probably close in your house within 30 days. The base prices don't really matter too much just because they pick out all the options. So the out the door price is what you're looking for. What I'm seeing here is they're ranging from about 400 to 430,000. That is out the door, okay? Couple of things about the community as well. They have their HOA is $134 a month. No sit-in lids here. Now the $134 a month is going to include the exterior maintenance, water, sewer, landscaping, and the parks. Okay, so that's pretty good for $134. You know, have your sewage and water included. They're going to have about 87 homes here. They just opened this community like a few months ago, so they're still going to have available inventory. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 1478. Now, this is 1478 square feet, 2 or 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, okay? So again, this community, they're just making quick move-in homes. Out the door for this plan, you're looking at about 405 to about 420. Now, the difference is going to be with the upgrades. Now, for most of the 1478 plans, seems to me that like they're making it as a 2-bedroom with a loft, but there is still availability for 3 bedrooms. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. You have like 9-foot ceiling here. You're gonna have the stairs that go up to the 2nd floor. See, really high ceilings. Now, as far as the upgrades they put in these model homes, it's going to be similar to what they actually put in the specs. Because in some communities, when you look at the model houses, they have a lot more upgrades than they do put in their quick move-in homes, but it's going to be very similar, okay? You know, they might have the gray cabinet, white cabinets. They're going to use like the same grade, like quartz. Okay, so you're going to have the kitchen area, dining room, and this is the living room. Okay, so you got your like coat closet, storage right there. Now this is it's all electric community, so you're gonna have this like electric stovetop oven. Okay, I got like the stainless steel undermount sink, Whirlpool refrigerator. This is going to be your door to your garage, but that is the sales office. And then you'll have the powder room right here. Okay. And then, okay. So yeah, this is gonna be your coat closet. Well, yeah, let's head up to the second floor. So this model house, you're gonna see the loft straight ahead. Again, if it's not a loft, that's gonna be the third bedroom. Now right here, you do have the primary bedroom. All right. Okay. So this is the view right across the street. There's Henderson Hospital. Okay. It's a great area. You have a lot close by. You're not too far away from the Galleria, like mall area. Plenty of stores. You got the mall. Plenty of restaurants as well. So you have your dual sinks up here. I like that Century. Normally when they have their spec homes, they kind of have that thick quartz right there. Looks more luxurious compared to like the thin quartz. Okay, so you have your walk-in shower. You have your toilet room right there. And then you also have your walk-in closet. Okay, it's also 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. So right here, you're gonna have the laundry room. Okay. You have your attic access up there. Smart panel box. This is where you'd have you'd connect your internet router and your modem. Okay. Here, this is gonna be your full bath. Okay, you got your shower tub, fiberglass surround. See, again, it's gonna be your loft. Okay. All right. See, this is the community. Again, they're gonna have about 87 units in this community. And here's your second bedroom. All right, guys, that is it for the plan 1478. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Give me a call, shoot me a text. If you are interested in new construction communities like this one and you're thinking about visiting community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor comes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because once you go to the new community and you provide your email, phone number, and name, they're going to register you in the system with no agent. You definitely want representation, because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest and we look after your best interest. Okay, so definitely important to get some representation. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.